Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add slow motion in the Splice. Splice makes it easy to create smooth slow motion effect directly from your phone. Slow motion is perfect for the cinematic shots, emotional scenes, dramatic moments, sports highlights or static social media edits. And here's a detailed step-by-step guide to adding slow motion in Splice. First, you need to have a Splice app. If you do not have, so you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And you can simply launch your Splice app in your phone. Over here, you can simply tap on the new project or open to an existing one. As I'm going to select one of the draft project here, and you can import your videos into the editing timeline. And for the best results, over here you can simply select to your clip where you want slow motion here, and after that on the bottom we can find this duration. Tap on the duration. A speed control slider will appear, and to create a slow motion you need to drag the speed slider to the left here. Choose a lower speed like 0.5 or 0.3x, and the clip will automatically become longer in the timeline because it's playing slower. And you can preview the clip to check the smoothness as well. And adding slow motion in Splice is simple but powerful. With proper timing and music pairing, your video can instantly feel more professional. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to add slow motion in Splice. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.